Are you a total newbie in creating websites with no knowledge in web development, or you just want things done quick and fast? Well, my friend, then this video is for you. I will show you how anyone can create stunning websites in minutes, easily and for free using AI tools, in which you just need to provide some information to the AI and they will generate your website in minutes. Well, if you are new here, my name is Dean. On this channel, I give you tips, tricks, and hacks based in the tech world to enhance your digital experience. We are on our way to 1K subscribers. Join the family if you haven't yet. Join the family as we move to 1K subscribers.
Please take few seconds of your time to appreciate his hard work for a quick like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks a lot for doing that.
Din Life Tech.
We will try out 3 free AI website builders so you can decide which one is suitable for you and your business. 1. Hocus AI. Hocus AI is an innovative web development platform that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to assist you in creating professional websites. It offers a user-friendly interface, pre-designed templates, and intelligent design suggestions to make your website creation process a breeze. To begin, visit the Hocus AI website at www.hocusai.com and sign up for an account. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll gain access to the Hocus AI dashboard, where you can start building your website. Choose your website category from the list or enter your own theme in the prompt bar. Click Continue and select the services you want to offer. After that, choose your website target or purpose and add your business address, or choose online business only if you don't have a physical address. Enter your business name. Then select 3 aspects of your business. Specify how people can contact you. Now it's time to customize your website style, color palette, and font pairs. After that, click Create My Website to start generating your website. Now it's time to customize your website and make it unique. With Hocus AI, you can easily modify various elements like logo, colors, fonts, images, and layouts. Simply click on the element you want to change and use the intuitive editor to make adjustments. Feel free to experiment and let your creativity shine. Hocus AI allows you to create pages, add text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements effortlessly. Once you're satisfied with the design, content, and functionality of your website, it's time to preview and publish it. Hocus AI provides a real-time preview feature, allowing you to see how your website looks across different devices. Make any final adjustments and hit the publish button to make your website live. You can use your own custom domain name as well. Two, Leia AI Website Builder. This AI website builder is incredibly easy to use. Go to the Leia AI website, link provided in this video description, and click the Get Started button. Enter your business or category and click Next to continue. You have the option to answer AI questions for detailed creation or simply click Just Build My Website for a simpler process. Enter your email address to confirm you're not a bot, as this AI tool is not fond of bots. Click Finish to generate your website, then click View It to view your website. Customize your website and make it unique. With Leia AI, you can easily modify various elements like logo, colors, fonts, images, and layouts. Simply click on the element you want to change and use the intuitive editor to make adjustments. Feel free to experiment and let your creativity shine. Leia AI allows you to create pages, add text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements effortlessly. Once you're satisfied with the design, content, and functionality of your website, make any final adjustments and hit the Live button to make your website live. You can use your own custom domain name as well. Free, Pineapple AI Website Builder. Pineapple AI also offers a free plan to create and host your website. To start using this AI tool, click the Try Now for Free button. Choose a website category from the options or type your desired creation in the prompt bar. Click Next to continue. Select your website-based template and click AI Customize to continue. Now it's time to customize your website style, color palette, text style, and button style. Enter your business details and details about your website, then click Start Generation to instruct the AI to start generating our website content. This AI tool will prompt you to create an account to continue processing your website. Enter your company name and logo. Click Next. Customize your website and make it unique. With Pineapple AI, you can easily modify various elements like logo, colors, fonts, images, and layouts. Simply click on the element you want to change and use the intuitive editor to make adjustments. Feel free to experiment and let your creativity shine. Pineapple AI allows you to create pages, add text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements effortlessly. Once you're satisfied with the design, content, and functionality of your website, make any final adjustments and hit the Live button to make your website live. You can use your own custom domain name as well.
If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join the family as we move to 1K subscribers. If you have any questions or any thoughts about this video, just leave it down in the comment section below and I'll pick it up. You can get to me directly through my WhatsApp contact is down in the description below. Which video do you want me to make next? Just leave it down at the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Din Life Tech.